So Google has finally announced the long-awaited Pixel Watch. We have some press renders of this highly anticipated watch that will be available this fall. So first of all, let's talk about the specs. Overall, the watch is looking minimal and sleek in renders. Also, if you have the Galaxy Watch Active 2, you can see that there is a lot of resemblance. Only difference that makes this Pixel Watch unique from outside is the rotating crown. Few leaked images show that the watch has a stainless steel case and it has about the same bezel like the one present on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. According to the person who leaked Google Pixel Watch on Reddit, it is about 36 grams in weight without watch bands and the dial is about 40mm including that bezel. The watch also has a speaker on one side with a hole for microphone and quality is really good according to the source. Pixel Watch will be available in two sizes with different watch band colors. It will be also having its own Google made chip which will run on Wear OS 3.1 and yes, it will have Google Assistant out of the box. Talking about Google Assistant, Samsung at Google I/O mentioned that Google Assistant update for Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 will be available soon this summer. At this point, I guess so everyone is tired from promises made by Samsung and they should really push this update as soon as possible. The most interesting thing with Pixel Watch is the partnership with Fitbit, which means a lot of Fitbit features will be available on this watch. Talking about the price, the watch will be available this fall with a price tag of $300 to $400 depending on which size you go with. When compared to pricing of Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, I think so it's pretty good. Google also mentioned the huge success of Wear OS thanks to massive sales from Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Now Wear OS is about 3 times more popular than last year. In the end, Google mentioned that there are even more Wear OS smartwatches in pipeline that will be coming later this year. Definitely this indicates Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 which will be coming with 3 different models including a Pro/Ultra model that will have a massive battery. So guys, that was about it regarding Google Pixel Watch. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I think watch is looking great as it has a minimal look, but for those people who prefer a rugged/glossy smartwatch, this one is not for them. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.